We are looking at how to pronounce in English, but also in its original language, Swedish, the name of this Swedish multinational company and retailer that designs and sells ready-to-assemble furniture, kitchen appliances and home accessories in English, in British English as well as in American English. In the UK, just like in the US, the name of the brand is generally said as IKEA. IKEA, but in its language of origin and its country of origin, Sweden, the brand is said as IKEA. IKEA. Up to you which pronunciation you want to use. Be better understood in English with IKEA or sound more genuine and knowledgeable as IKEA. Which one do you think you should be using? Which one should be used really? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce correctly brand names that are so often mispronounced globally all around the world. See you there to learn more.